Let's talk about how we can set up a MySQL database on our local computer. So I would suggest you to use XAMPP. XAMPP. If you just Google it, you will see this kind of link. Just go there and download it because it has most of the modules that you need. I already installed it. Let me show mine. So we have different modules, including the Apache and MySQL modules. The Apache is the web server, and the MySQL is our database that we want to use. So let's start them. So what we can do now is to make sure that we have XAMPP are installed or our XAMPP is running. Now we can check it out because we have here Apache started, and what you need to do is you just need to go to your browser and type localhost. So you should be able to see this kind of screen. If you see this kind of interface, then this means you have it installed. You have the XAMPP successfully installed. So now you can just type phpmyadmin, all right, /phpmyadmin, and now you should be able to see this kind of interface. So phpmyadmin is a web-based DBMS, web-based database management system tool, and those are my databases. So you might not have these, but you should be able to see this kind of a web user interface. So what we can do now is we can generate a new database. Here, just click new and say, for example, my company. Okay, and then click create. So now we have a database, but it's empty. So what we need to do is now we need to create all those tables and their relationships and their attributes. So what you can do is go to this link. All right, this is the SQL that you need to that you can use to generate the database, the company, my company database. Again, you should just go to this link and you should be able to see all these SQL queries. So we can see that we can generate new tables such as department, employees, department locations, and then what else? A project, works on, dependent, and then you can also see that we are inserting some data into those tables. All right, so let's copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy. So we copy it there, and now go to SQL tab, and now then click paste, Control V. Make sure that you have all those SQL script from that website, and make sure also that you are under my company, that under your new database, and then click the go button. So there you go, it has generated all those tables. Let's just reload our screen here on the left, and you will see all those tables. For example, if you click on employee, you will see all this data, the employee table along with some data in it, or like project. Those are the projects and in some certain locations. Or we can see, for example, the departments. Here we have like research department, administration, sales, hardware, and so on. So this is our new database, company database. Now we can start writing some queries to answer some real-world questions, some real-world use cases.